Hey Dora and Elena. Can you two please come downstairs? Today is a very important day.
Ugh, what do you want, Abuela?
Are you about to give us a punishment day or something?
No, not today.
Phew. But anyways, what kind of special day is today?
Yeah, I wonder too.
Well, Cole will tell the two of you.
Okay, Dora and Elena. Today is the 31st of December 2019. Which means it's the final day of 2019 and the 2010s decade.
Oh boy, 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 yeri 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 yeri. It is finally here. Dora and I have been waiting for this decade to end. And we hope 2020 will be a much better year than 2019 because of all of the bad things that happened to the Vyond community in the 2010s.
You know what, Dora and Elena, I'm excited for 2022. Actually, you know what, we're all are. This year, we're all going to go to Times Square in New York City to watch the ball drop tonight.
Wait. What? Dora and I don't want to go to the ball drop tonight.
Yeah, me and Mom want to stay home and watch it on TV.
Too bad, Dora and Elena, you both are coming with us to watch the ball drop tonight, and that's final.
Also, you both are going to drive yourselves to the airport tonight because we can't trust you two to behave in Diego's car.
I have to agree with Cole. You two will drive yourselves to the airport tonight so we don't have to hear you two complain about wanting to stay home and watch the ball drop on TV. If you both misbehave at the ball drop, then you both will be grounded.
And one more thing, you both will write an essay on what you did at Taco Bell on December 28th. When we are driving to the airport, you both will stop at the police department and give the police chief the money. I need the essay to be done before we leave.
I agree with Diego.
Agreed as well. Now both of you, go back upstairs to your room right now and start writing.
Okay, fine, whatever.
Later that day.
Dora and Elena. It's time to get going to the airport. You both have been in the house for years. Turn the TV off and get in your car right now. Now.
Abuela, just calm down. Dora and Elena will get in their car. We should get going before our flight leaves.
All right, Cole, I'm coming.
Man, what is wrong with Diego, Cole, and Abuela these days? Me and Dora didn't want to go to the ball drop this year. We wanted to watch it on TV.
I know, right, Mom? We shall go somewhere else.
Yeah, but where shall we go, Dora? Dora, why do you look surprised?
Mom, I know where we should go.
Really? Where should we head off to?
Since I know Billy didn't want to go to the ball drop tonight and sent a copy of himself, we can go to Billy's house and watch the ball drop there. Ha 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 ha.
That sounds like a good idea, Dora. I could seriously go over to Billy's house right now. Ha 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 ha.
Well then, what are we waiting for? Let's go over to Billy's house.
Ha 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 ha.
At the airport.
Hello, and welcome to the Vyond City Airport. How may I help you?
I would like 5 tickets to New York City, please.
Okay. Please place your luggage.
We're not going on vacation. We're only going there for the rest of the night.
Oh, okay. Goodbye, and enjoy your flight.
Attention everybody who is in Gate 17. The plane is called NYC Air Service. It will be going to New York City.
That's our flight. Come on, let's go see the ball drop.
Meanwhile with Dora and Elena.
What is taking so long? It is 6 o'clock and we're still driving. Yes, we're at Billy's house. Hi Billy.
Hi Dora and Elena, welcome to my house. Did you guys just came to my house to avoid going to New York City with your family?
Yes, we did.
That's good. Anyways, what bad things should we do in 2020?
In 2020, we can murder people, rob banks, and burn down lots of places.
That's a good New Year's resolution. I was thinking the exact same thing. Dora, what were you thinking?
I was thinking the same thing.
Ha 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 ha
ha.
And now, we return to Happy New Year Charlie Brown on ABC. Coming up next is Countdown to 2020 Live in Times Square on ABC.
Did you hear that, Dora and Elena? Right after Happy New Year Charlie Brown is the ball drop.
Yeah, let's watch Happy New Year Charlie Brown.
Meanwhile at Times Square.
Hey, are you guys excited for 2020?
Yes.
Me too.
Only 10 minutes to go until 2020.
At Billy's house.
Oh my gosh, it's 11:59 p.m. 2020 will be here in 1 second.
New Year's will be in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year.